Lean slightly forward and position your nipple in the center of the flange tunnel and press the pump firmly against your breast. Secure the pump with a nursing bra for added support. To ensure a proper fit, you should feel a strong suction that effectively extracts milk, and the pump should be comfortable to wear. Do not lean back while pumping to prevent leakage. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on or turn off the breast pump. You can toggle between stimulation and expression modes from the mode button and adjust intensity with the plus and minus buttons. A short press of the power button can pause and resume the pumping session. Pump with the eufy Baby app to remotely control your session. Log in or sign up and follow the instructions to connect your breast pumps. Choose one breast pump to start, or tap on the sync button to synchronize the settings of both pumps. OptiRhythm is eufy's unique smart pumping technology designed to meet the diverse needs of moms. For each rhythm, you can adjust from 7 intensities and 3 pump speeds to find the suction that suits you best. After each session, you can mark down your output in the pop-up window and review your pumping history. Now get started and explore all the exciting features of the eufy Baby app.